Yeah, once again, good morning everyone. So this is a lesson, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry, author, and he has come from United States, and he wrote a lot of stories based upon the children and based upon the fun events, based upon the important events, and he is popular for short story writers stories only. Okay, so in that sense now, if we go on reading it, you can complete his stories by within a half an hour, or maybe sometimes maybe 40 minutes. Within that you can complete the story reading, and so that you will be able to understand his stories in the easiest way, not much difficult. And he is popular for totally short story. Okay, and especially The Trimmed Lamp and Other Stories. This is a book full of short stories, was published in the year 1907. Publication date 1907. From this book, this lesson, The Last Leap, has been extracted, and that is for your syllabus now. Okay. Here you are finding the image of last leaf, so which is in the color now. Colorful leaf is available here. So this is a front page of that short stories also. And here you're finding that the main stream of the story, what is it about actually? The story is about a last leaf. Here you are finding that pneumonia means, you know very well, it is one of disease. Pneumonia attacked the Greenwich village, and John C. or Jonah was down with. Here we find the two important characters. So one is Sue and John C. Sue and John C. both were the close friends, and they were working somewhere, and they were getting the amount from by working. With that, they were residing in the flat. So that flat amount, flat rent was shared by both of the people. So what happened one day, this John C got attacked with the pneumonia, and he had to stay in the house itself, and only the another girl was going to get the job, do the job. Later here, Johnsy watched the dead ivy vine on the window and counted the leaves falling. Here, there was a tree near to her window. That tree was actually ivory tree. So that ivy vine is mentioned here. Ivory tree it is, and every day it is common thing. Winter season, whenever the trees reaches the winter season, October, November, December time, no, by this time they starts releasing the leaves, extra leaves from the trees. It's a common thing to us, and we have seen also. Same thing here, near to her window, there was a tree, a small tree, that was ivory tree, and she watched the dead ivory tree, which was not able to keep the leaves in the tree, and she was continuously watching every day. Just I'm telling you background, children. We will go again to a lesson. Okay. So the doctor told she had 1 by 10 chance of survival. So immediately when she suffered from pneumonia, she another friend called doctor, and doctor inspected and said that there is chance only 1% out of 10 of survival. So means it was last stage of pneumonia, and she was disturbed by the friend also and doctor also when doctor said. But actually the friend did not make her to understand what she was actually suffering from, but she also came to know what she was suffering from. And later when Sue entered, she counted from 12. So the friend tried to make her friend, means Sue was a friend of that girl, and she made that girl to be very happy by showing something, and this all these things. She tried to forget about the pneumonia. Later, she associated the falling of leaves to her death. Immediately, she understood that her days were going to end. So, at that moment, she thought that the same leaves were falling outside. No, that every day the leaves were falling one by one. So, however, the leaves were falling down, she compared her life also. So, whenever all the leaves fall down from the tree, she would die. This kind of mentally recorded kinds of, mentally she became sick, and she decided that if that leaf, every leaf falls from the tree, if the tree becomes leafless, so at that moment she also going to leave this world. In this way she decided, and mentally she stick on for that one. Later Sue had to finish the Asia Minor. Asia Minor means it's a painting. She was a painter, and with that painting, both were getting the amount. But now, right now, another friend, Johnsy, was suffering from pneumonia, and there was no chance of taking help from her. And only she had to work with the painting, and another side she had to take care her also. Both work were depending upon this girl, Sue girl. Okay. So later again, Behrman, it is a third character. Totally three characters we find in this lesson. First character is that Sue, second character John C. And John C was suffering from pneumonia, and Sue was a companion of that John C. And both were painters. With that painting, they were earning the amount. But in between, John C started to suffer from the pneumonia, so that the earning also cut down. One person's earning cut down. At the same time, another lady, Sue, had to work hard and she had to pay the amount. This kind of situation. So another character, Behrman, he was a neighbor there and a failure in heart, survived by posing as a model. He posed for the minor. So actually he wanted to do something achieving in the life. He wanted to achieve in the life, but he could not do it. So he was also waiting for the great achievement in the life, and he had in touch with these people. Then Behrman listened to Sue. He went out in rain with lantern, ladder, and paint and painted the masterpiece. So when that Sue understood, John C. Mentally decided that if that one leaf was left out of the tree, if that leaf, whenever it leaves down now, so surely she is going to die. Like this, mentally she decided. This was known by her friend. Immediately she decided that that leaf should not fall down from the tree. At least if she feels that leaf is available in the tree, at least this girl would take it a positive and she would cure from the pneumonia. This was a contest, this was a concept in the mind of Sue. That's why she requested Behrman to go and paint in the opposite wall the masterpiece of that last leaf. However, the single leaf was available in the tree now. That leaf was about to fall down 100%. But if that falls down 100%, this girl mentally again she decides herself and she may die also. This is also one condition. In that sense, she used her mind and requested the person Behrman and told him that to paint on the opposite wall so that as it is that last leaf is still available in the tree. Means that this girl was sleeping on the bed and that window was opposite to her and she was able to see that ivory tree. So that what is her plan? That what was her plan? Actually, by this painting, she would feel that still the tree's last leaf is available in the tree itself. So every day she would see the last leaf would be there. Every day she would see last leaf would be there. Like this, positiveness has come in her mind, and she waited, and last leaf did not fall down only. So afterwards, Johnsy saw the last leaf still clinging. So this is the painted thing what you are seeing outside. And Johnsy started to see every day whenever she opens the window outside, she would feel that still last leaf would be in the tree. So by seeing this, she started to get a positive thing in her mind. Later, Behrman died of pneumonia. Sue understood who saved her friend. Actually, Johnsy would had to die. But here Behrman actually who painted for the life of Johnsy and she cured from pneumonia, and Behrman who actually painted, he died of pneumonia. This is one sad thing from this lesson actually, and ultimately Sue understood who saved her friend. Later, this is the end of the lesson. So Behrman actually about to be saved, but here Behrman only who actually painted for the sake of Johnsy, he lost his life. This is a main thing we need to understand from this story. What we are going to get from the story. Okay. So now let us go to the main lesson, the last leaf. This is the lesson number 7. I mean, in the Moment textbook, the last leaf. So the situation stage means where that story starts. It is autumn, the wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen, except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So this is a main foundation of this story. It is autumn season. Casually in European countries, autumn season is the season where the all the trees starts getting free from the old leaves and they start getting the new leaves in the trees. So it was a time. At that moment, at the same time when the leaves start depart from that tree, immediately this lady started to suffer from pneumonia. Both have done happened in a simultaneous way. So she had connected that last leaf, okay, to her death. So in this way, both are connected and made her life to be very negative. So here, Sue and Johnsy both were the companion. They were residing at a same apartment in a same flat. Two young artists. You need to understand. Very simple lesson. No need to worry about it. It is a lesson about two young artists. And here Johnsy suffered from the pneumonia, and for that Sue had taken help from Burman, who was an age-old man who did not get any name and fame in his life, though he was a good artist. And Sue requested her to do painting for her companion's life. Ultimately, what happened? He painted it, and Johnsy every day she would be able to see that leaf. Actually, ultimately, earlier it was the last leaf was real, but after a few days later, Bahman painted over there. So whenever every day the window would open, and that moment she would be able to feel that still leaf has not fallen down from the tree. By this way, the friend made her to get a positiveness and she cured from pneumonia. But really, who painted that painting? So that person suffered from pneumonia and died. This is a one thing we need to understand from the story. Okay. And two young artists shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. This is the base thing you need to understand from this lesson. Okay. Later, Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. In November, she had pneumonia, which this is pneumonia. The spelling of pneumonia is Pneumonia. P is going to be silent here. Okay. She would lie in her bed without moving. So because as she was suffering from pneumonia, she was very weak and she was not able to move also, and she was always lying on the bed. Just gazing, gazing means looking, looking out of the window. And here the friend of Johnsy, Sue, S-U-E, Sue, her friend became very worried. She sent for the doctor. Although she came every day, he came every day, there was no change in Johnson's condition. So immediately as companion became very ill, Sue called a doctor. Doctor came over there, but although he came every day to take care of her, but there was no change in the Johnson's condition. Then what she did then? One day, doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" So, doctor understood maybe mentally disorders might have affected her mind. In this way, after giving a treatment, the doctor called Sue, who was a companion, aside means little outside the room, and asked her, "Is anything mental problem or occurring in the mind of that lady or not?" In this way, she asked a question to Johnsy. At this moment, "No," replied Sue. "But why do you ask?" So when that Sue replied that no, and again she asked question to the doctor, "Why do you ask, doctor? Why you are asking this one?" And the doctor said, "Johnsy, it seems she has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she doesn't want to leave, medicines will not help her." Yeah, it is very important thing we need to understand. Sometimes doctor can cure the physical illness, but mental illness very difficult task for doctor. That's why mental strength is very important, especially this now COVID pandemic. The person who is suffering from corona, he has to very be strong mentally. He has to be strong. If mentally the person is strong, so doctor can treat and the person will cure very early. So if we are mentally not strong, it is difficult task for doctor also to cure the patient. That's why most of the times what happen, many people, though they are physically good, mentally they'll not be strong. In this sense here, I think doctor sensed that Johnsy was suffering from mental illness. That's why doctor asked her if any mentally problems are with Johnsy or any worrying thing in the mind or not. Because if she doesn't want to leave, medicines will not help her. Means medicines will be taken up by the patient, but mentally if we are not strong, those also will affect upon nervous system. So medicine won't work up. In this way, doctor explained very beautifully to that girl Sue. Then the Sue responsibility was to take care about her companion. Then Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. She talked about clothes, fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. To take Johnson's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. So in this way, anyway, both were companions, both were sharing the flat, both were working and both were earning and both were paying it. But now the earner is only Sue. At that moment, she did not want to lose her companion also. That's why, as per doctor instructions, she did not want to make her to be mentally sick again. That's why what she did it, she tried her best to make her Johnsy very by talking very interestingly, new things, but there was no change in Johnsy's mind. Ultimately, what she did, Johnsy, Sue, she brought even the painting board also, and she started to paint in the room itself, Johnson's room itself. At least, what happened, if she paints in front of her, there are chances that the person may change, refreshment will come. So this here I would like to give an example, remembrance to you. I think you might have seen the film Munna Bhai MBBS. Have you seen? Have you seen the film Munna Bhai MBBS children, or have you heard about this film?
Yes, sir.
So there I think you might have seen a situation. The old man who was actually very much interested in Kerem. At that moment, as Munna Bhai goes over there and tries to improvise. So just I like to try to show it a small video. The class, okay. From here, in the same way, she tried to change her mindset by doing painting in the room itself. At least by seeing to that one, she could be able to change her mindset, and there would be improvement in that pneumonia disease. But nothing was changed. Even in between, she tried to visualize by that. At least she would get recreation from this one. In that way, she tried, but there was no change. But she did not give up trying up. Okay. Suddenly, Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. After some time, she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. So immediately Johnson started to do something. Till now she was not talking much more. Suddenly she heard that Johnson whisper something. Whisper means talking herself and counting something. Actually she was counting the numbers over there. Why she was counting numbers means she quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnson counting the backwards. She was not counting upwards. Backwards she was counting. She was looking out of the window and was saying that 12. After some time, she whispered 11, then 10, 9, 8, 7, like this. While she was counting means, she anxiously looked out of the window and she saw the old ivy creeper. As I said, there was an ivy creeper, and creeper was, the leaves were falling down from the creeper immediately opposite the window. And by seeing to that how the leaves were falling down now, she was counting it. Okay. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. So this was one of the negative thing in her mind. So what is it here? She asked, why you are counting backwards? What are you doing it? Casually, she asked it. Then 6, whispered Johnson. She did not stop counting at all. 7 over, again 6, she counted. Later, they are falling faster now. 3 days ago, there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. So immediately she did not answer to the question of Sue and said that, yeah, really they are falling very fast now. And many days ago, 3 days ago, there were hundreds of leaves in the tree, but now only 5 left in the tree itself. In this way, she explained to Sue. It is autumn, said Sue, and leaves will fall. So casually, Sue tried to answer that, reply that, yeah, it is autumn season. Casually, leaves will fall down. What is there in this one? In this way, Sue tried to give the normal answer to that girl. Then later, when the last leaf falls, I will die, said John C. Finality. I have known this for the last 3 days. So this is a very important thing we need to understand. Why she was telling numbers, why she was counting it, and why she said this did not understand actually. And casually she also answered that it is autumn season and even never leaves will fall 100%. There is no changes in this one. What is the new thing you are telling? In this way, Sue commonly replied it. But actually, the inner meaning was that, yeah, when the last leaf falls, I will die. This may come for extract. Who said these words? This is said by John C. Okay, and her mind was set up for that one. Whenever the last leaf falls from that tree, surely she is also going to die. This is called as a mental disorder. This is difficult task for even doctor also to cure it. Said John C. Finality, I have known this for the last 3 days. So that is why I am counting. Since 3 days, I am just finding out when does that leaf falls down. Only 5 leaves left out now. Whenever the last leaf falls out from the tree, that day will be my death day. In this way, she explained to that friend Sue. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivory leaves to do with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better. Hey, what are you talking nonsense, my dear? So, what type of leaves can be in touch with your death or dead body, dead life it is? What are you speaking? It is not connected to that one. Why are you comparing? It is autumn season. Casually, they will fall. And again, within a few days, so new leaves are going to be created. So it is a common nature thing. It is. Why are you worrying about it? Why do you bother much more? In this way, she asked question. Even doctor is confident about treatment. Why you are not confident? In this way, she asked question to John C. John C. did not say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. But when this was replied by Sue, there was no proper reply from John C. Did not say, she kept quiet. And immediately Sue, as per a timetable, she brought the bowl of soup for her to take give food to her. Then, what was the reply? I don't want any soup, said John C. I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. So when Sue came to give a soup to her, but John C. replied very politely, no, I don't want any soup. Okay, I'm not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see when the last leaf falls. If the last leaf falls before, I will sleep forever. There is no problem for you also. You no need to care me also. 100% I am going to heaven. In this way, she talked very politely in front of that girl. Really, talking is very easy, but a person who will be with us or somebody know, it is a difficult task for them to convey or convince them. So in the same way, Sue was in tension now when she said these words. Sue sat on Johnson's bed and kissed her and said, "You are not going to die. I can't draw the I can't draw the curtain, for I need the night. I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Please, my dear friend," she begged John C., "promise not to look out of the window while I paint." So really, whenever we have companions or bachelors in the room, if somebody is suffering from illness, so 100% the problem happens to another person and impacts a lot. And both had a good relationship. In this moment, this girl, thou she was able to cure. Why she was thinking, I don't. She did not understand, and ultimately she sat on her bed and kissed her head and said, "You are not going to die. Don't worry about it. Remove that concept from your mind. You are going to die. It is a natural thing which leaves will fall in the winter season, and again they will get a new leaves in the summer season. It is all common thing. Why you are comparing those things to your life? Do not compare like this. In this way, she tried to convince her. And later, I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. So immediately, casually, she wanted to do the work because they were depending upon the painting only. If she would paint, she would earn it. Otherwise, there was no way for them to have a food, and they could not be able to pay the rent also. And however, earlier the two people were working and they were earning more. And now one person is on the bed now, another person had to work. If she doesn't do the work, really there will be no earning. In this way, I am doing the work. I need a light over there, and even I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. So we need to get money for us, because if I don't do this painting, surely again there will be difficult for your treatment also. In this way, indirectly she tried to tell everything to her. And please, my dear friend, don't disturb and don't divert yourself. Don't see and don't look out at the window while I am painting. So promise not to look out of the window while I paint. So concentrate on my painting only. In this way, she requested her friend John C. And later, all right, said John C. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. So whatever that girl said, whatever the Sue explained her, this girl was not ready to listen to this girl's mindset. And again she said the same thing. Okay, okay, all right, to do it up, but finish the painting soon. But I want to see, as soon as you finish the painting, I would like to see the last leaf to fall. Once the last leaf falls down, surely I will, I have to die, and I don't want to stay more days in the on the bed. And even I want to go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. How the leaves are falling down, no? Like that, I also want to die it. Please do finish your work very fast. In this way, she requested. So what happened later? Try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. Okay, I will call Barman up to be my model. So okay. So I need to complete this painting, and even I would like to take help of that old man also, who is expert in painting. So let me take help from him. So he is a expert in painting, and I would like to finish this work. In this way, I should try to convince her, and I think then listening to her, she tried to not to see at the window, and the curtain was closed, and she was started to paint the painting. This is today's class, and tomorrow we will continue with this line over there again. From that Sue rested down, Bahraman lived on the ground floor. What happened? How did Bahraman help her? How did that girl cure her? That is we are going to see in the tomorrow's class. So any doubts in this class?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.